Hello, my friend. Welcome to my English podcast. This is a very easy English podcast for beginners. Today we talk about a film. The film is called The Pursuit of Happiness. It is a drama from the United States. The film is from 2006. The Pursuit of Happiness is a story about a father and his son. They have no money and no home. But they do not give up. They want a better life. The main character is Chris Gardner. He is a father. He has a small son. They live in a small apartment. Chris sells machines for hospitals. But he has no money. He cannot pay for the apartment. The owner says, "Go away." Chris and his son have no home. Chris wants a new job. He goes to a big company. He wants to be a stockbroker. It is a difficult job. Many people study for this job. Only one person can get it. Chris goes to work every day. He studies very hard. He calls many people. He works fast and well. At night, Chris and his son sleep in different places. Sometimes in a park. Sometimes in a toilet. Sometimes in a shelter. Chris is very tired, but he does not stop. Many months pass. At last, the company chooses Chris. He gets the job. He is very happy. He cries in the street. In the end, Chris has a good salary. He buys a home for his family. He and his son are safe and happy. His dream comes true. I like this film because it is real and strong. It shows hard work and hope. Chris is a good father. He never gives up. Today we learned some words. Pursuit. Father. Son. Job. Money. Home. Work. Study. Happy. Dream. Hard. Thank you for listening to my English podcast. Bye. See you next time.